So you'll key in a username and a password. Log in, and it should take you to whatever your menu is. And if you log in incorrectly, then it takes you to some kind of an error screen where you basically have to go back to log in and try it again. Okay, so the code for this is in this little zipped file. And the table that you're going to create in either Dev Server or Laragon is right here. And you're just going to add that table to your own database. And what I have done on the production server is I went ahead and added that table for you. So I'm going to show you that it's already in all of your database files. Okay, so if I open any of these, you're going to see that auth users table is already in there. And then when you guys send me the code for the tables for your app, I will be adding those as well. Okay, so all of you have an auth users table on the production server already. So what you are going to have to do is create this on the test server. Okay, and then you're going to want to at least insert one row with, you know, your user information. And then you're going to do a login form and a login script. And so this is the login form that I gave you in the zipped file. Very basic, very simple. The action that you're going to post to is this user login PHP file. And if you remember, it uses the name attribute as the key to the post array. So we have the name of username and a name of password. And when it gets submitted, we're checking the post array and we're subscripting in with username and password. Okay, and if they're not filled in, then it goes back to the login form. And then if they are filled in, we make that database connection and we basically retrieve what they've keyed in, clean them up, store them, and then we use a select statement. So this is selecting columns, first name and last name from auth users, and it's checking the username to make sure it's the same as what they keyed in, and it's checking the password. Those are in the where. Okay, and as long as they found a row, okay, that means that the user was in there, and we reroute them to the address book, whatever menu system you have. Okay, and then if the username and password were not in the system, that's when they get the error message. Okay, so that's pretty much how the two things work. And like I said, this is pretty simple.